Hello. To begin our presentation, we are the Advanced Scenario Building team for the Superior Cyber Range. Our team is comprised of two cybersecurity majors and an information technology major, all of whom are part of senior design. Our names are,
Chet Skotzke.
Ethan Ashley.
and me, Alex Swiderski. One question you may be asking yourself is, what is a cyber range? A cyber range is a virtual environment that is used to emulate real scenarios without any real world consequences. Some benefits from the cyber range is real world application of knowledge, isolated environments, and incredible scalability. Also, the Superior Cyber Range is the current cyber range here at Michigan Tech. What is our goal? Our goal, in the beginning, was to simply make an advanced scenario that the cyber range can use for higher level participants. This would quickly evolve into the scenario you are witnessing currently. As a group, we decided that a container escape vulnerability would give us an advanced scenario which teaches the participant about containers and what to avoid when working with containers. Containers isolate software from the environment and package everything needed to run. A container escape is when you successfully break out of said isolated environment, gaining access to the host system. This scenario is for anyone interested in current cybersecurity practices, as Docker, the most popular platform used in container creation, is used by companies like Spotify, NASA, Visa, NVIDIA, IBM, and countless others.
I will be displaying a brief overview of the scenario. We'll start with connecting to the server provided to find an extra web service exposed that has a vulnerable path providing a shell into the container. From here, we'll perform reconnaissance to find a volume with an overexposed script which we will inject a reverse shell into to gain access to the host. We gain access with the service account and use the container to get root on the host. We then extract credentials for the internal database from another container on the host. From here, we set up an SSH tunnel from the host to direct traffic to the database and connect. We are then able to view the contents of the database and extract the flag. Through this, we have demonstrated container exploitation, reverse shells, privilege escalation, credential exfiltration, lateral movement, and target identification.
Our team was fully successful in preparing the environment within the Superior Cyber Range, and it should now be ready for future participants. We provided the Cyber Range with a detailed walkthrough document that provides a step-by-step on the full scenario. We designed the document with the intent for it to be configured by the Cyber Range or instructors to accommodate different levels of experience. Beyond container escape, our scenario provides a great example for a plethora of core or cybersecurity topics, such as privilege escalation, lateral movement, and credential exfiltration. While we have completed the environment, it has yet to be implemented by the Cyber Range. Upon its implementation, we suggest that the Cyber Range closely observe the performance of initial participants, as the scenario has yet to be performed by anyone outside of our senior design team. To end our presentation, we would all like to thank our advisors Kevin Meyers, Tim Van Wagner, and Victoria Walters for the support. We would also like to thank the staff and students that work on Superior Cyber Range for providing us with this opportunity. And lastly, we would like to thank you for taking the time to hear about our project.